The Department of Revenue is trying to snuff out the sale of cigarettes unstamped by the state. After a shipment of tribally stamped cigarettes was seized by Minnesota Department of Revenue agents earlier this month, the Leech Lake Band of Ojibwe is now responding to the incident, saying the state is trying to stamp out tribal sovereignty. Catherine Silver has the story.
A debate sparks over the sale of unstamped cigarettes.
We were really taken by surprise when they took this approach with us.
The controversy started when the Department of Revenue seized almost 3,000 packs of Leech Lake Band of Ojibwe tribally stamped cigarettes because they were not stamped by the state.
The governor gave an order to seize our cigarettes.
Our seizure was to deal with unstamped cigarettes and the fact that the tax in Minnesota by law is not being paid. So that was our focus.
Currently, there is a tax agreement between the state and the band to share state cigarette taxes collected on and by the reservation. But the tribe began selling tribally regulated cigarettes when the state didn't share the excise tax consisting of the health impact fee.
They passed it not too long ago where they're sharing the health impact fee because they did recognize that it is a tax and that they were doing it wrongfully to the tribes.
Minnesota law requires businesses to purchase cigarettes from licensed distributors, proving that they are paying Minnesota's cigarette taxes. The Department of Revenue says the sale of cigarettes unstamped by the state is unfair to distributors and businesses who comply with the law.
I think any time where you're at a retail advantage by not having to pay something, you would benefit from the marketplace, and we certainly want a fair marketplace among all retailers in Minnesota.
Chairwoman Carrie Jones says that the U.S. Constitution, treaties, and federal case law prove that the state cannot regulate on-reservation activities, and says that the seizure is an attack on the band's rights.
It comes down to the sovereignty issue with us trying to provide our own economic development.
There has been back and forth discussion, but unfortunately there hasn't been a resolution.
Both parties hope that open communication and discussion will help them reach a compromise in the future. Catherine Silver, Lakeland News.
The chairwoman plans on holding a meeting with the tribal council to look at their options and plan their next steps.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.